Hey everyone, welcome back to CB Auto News. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting small SUVs coming in 2020-26, the Renault Captur. If you've been waiting for something stylish, compact, and smart, Renault is coming in hot with this one. The Captur has always been known for mixing flair with practicality, and this next-generation model looks like it's going to raise the bar even higher. Let's start with the design. The 2026 Captur is getting a major glow-up. Renault is keeping its signature two-tone color scheme, which fans absolutely love, but it's refining the shape to look sharper and more premium. Expect a more sculpted front fascia, a redesigned grille, and sleeker LED headlights that look a lot more aggressive. Around the back, there are whispers of a new full-width light bar that gives the Captur a more high-tech, futuristic feel. And if the spy shots are anything to go by, it's going to look cleaner, more aerodynamic, and possibly even sport bigger wheels and flush door handles. Sleek meets smart. Renault isn't just focused on looks. Sustainability is a huge part of the update. The new Captur might include lightweight metals and recyclable polymers throughout the body. These changes help reduce emissions and make the SUV more eco-friendly without sacrificing durability. So if you care about the planet and your daily commute, this could be a great choice. Inside, the 2026 Captur is expected to feel more premium than ever. The infotainment system is getting a big upgrade. Think a larger, more responsive touchscreen, better smartphone integration, and a crisper digital driver display. Renault is also stepping up the comfort game with high-quality materials, redesigned seating for better support, and a roomier interior for both passengers and cargo. You'll also get cool features like customizable ambient lighting, improved sound insulation, and smart storage solutions all around the cabin. And for safety, we're expecting next-level driver assistance systems like adaptive cruise control, lane centering assist, and automatic emergency braking, helping you stay safer on the road without even thinking about it. Now let's talk power. This is where things really get interesting. Renault is pushing hard into electrification, and the 2026 Captur is expected to offer a next-gen hybrid powertrain. The familiar 1.3-liter turbocharged engine will likely make a return, but with improvements in fuel economy and emissions. But the big news? A plug-in hybrid version is coming, and it's rumored to offer an electric-only range of over 50 miles. That means for a lot of people, you could do your daily driving without using any gas at all. And when you do need it, the hybrid kicks in seamlessly, giving you a total range that's perfect for road trips. Fuel economy numbers are looking strong too, with some estimates suggesting over 60 mpg combined for the hybrid models. Paired with a smoother automatic transmission and better gearing, the driving experience is expected to feel more refined, responsive, and efficient than ever. So, when can you get your hands on one? The official reveal is expected in late 2025, with deliveries starting early 2026. Pricing is likely to begin around $28,000, with higher trims, especially the plug-in hybrid, reaching up to $35,000. That's still a great value when you consider the design, the tech, and the hybrid capabilities packed into this compact SUV. All in all, the 2026 Renault Captur looks like it's going to be one of the most well-rounded subcompact SUVs on the market. It's smarter, greener, and sharper than ever, and perfect for drivers who want style without losing practicality. What do you think? Could this be your next ride? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.